A double crochet stitch is one of the most basic stitches. It is the basis of many complicated stitches. Many stitches are done by combining a double crochet stitch in different patterns. Maybe a double crochet stitch with a chain stitch, a double crochet stitch with a single stitch, and different beautiful patterns are made. So when you learn this double crochet stitch, you'll have learned very many different stitches at the same time. And as we do this double crochet stitch, so you yarn over, insert in your space, pull through, and you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, so you remain with 2. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert in the space, yarn over and pull through, so you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through, and you continue doing that same thing over and over again.